this project here will be interesting. But it's only been 3 hours. 3 hours since the storm started. We got over 3 inches already. And the Boon's antsy to get this snowmobile going for him. He wants to take a rip around the yard. Look at him. He's pissed. What's the matter, bud? Can't you get it going? Go ahead. I'm not going to stand out here in the snow with this camera. iPhone, I should say. Boy, still can't start this thing. God. Choke it. Choke it. Choke it. Oh. Push your choke in. Choke in. Push your choke in. There you go. Go ahead, I gotta get inside. Oh. Somebody's gonna get a wet ass now. Look at. Huh. Where is he? We're doing this from the bathroom window now. Screw that thing. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? You gotta be shit. Oh, there he is down there. You serious right now? Where the hell did he go? Oh, I hear him. Wow. Thanksgiving Day 2014. Look at the snow. Really? God. Internet's still down too. Oh boy. At least we got power anyway. I don't know if it's the Wi-Fi that fried or if There's something going on at Time Warner. Probably my Wi-Fi power surge probably fried it. More than likely. That's my luck. Okay. Now we gotta go out and clean the vehicles off. Oh boy. And I'm gonna use this and record in hyperspeed for you. Shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. Sissy! Enough of that shit. Oh my lord, I'm freezing my fingers off. Sissy!
Ah!
Why don't you clean off that deck, please? Like a nice little girl. Take the shovel. Cigarette it up.
Where do I start?
Dump it on the ground. That'll be awesome. Huh?
Any gloves?
No, I didn't do it. You just saw me do the truck and the car without gloves on.
Yeah, but you're a man.
Right?
You're a man!
Anyway, this parade's getting ready to start. I'm going to sit here on my ass and watch this for a few hours. A couple hours anyway. Thaw my hands out. I don't know what's going on with our internet and our phone systems down from the storm, but hopefully we'll have it back so I can render and upload this damn. Kelson's back out there on the... Kelson's back out on his snowmobile this morning. He got it stuck in a snowbank that his brother made with the plow and he wasn't too happy. Muddy boat! Yeah. What are you doing, sissy?
I don't know. Sue! I want to get this off. Sue! Sue!
Look at that Reebok sweatshirt back there. I'm having internet withdrawals at the moment. Ah, there we go. There we go. Christmas season begins here in the States. The end of the Macy's parade. Oh boy. Chaos begins.
Mom's crying.
Right on. Time for turkey. It's a winter wonderland, people. Look at the snow all over the trees. Wow. Nice.
Wendy's presents a Melty Reward. A bacon portobello from and Clifton Park Center Mall. You can adopt a wish at any branch of First Niagara Bank, our primary sponsor. Donate online at ney.wish.org.
Snow sticking to the fences.
Texting WISH to 27722 and a $10 donation by texting
Kinda neat.
to 80088. Message and data rates may apply.
It's so pretty.
Your donation will go towards granting a wish for a local child.
It's
This
so
27th
pretty.
Adopt a Wish campaign is sponsored by First
Look
Niagara
at Santa on the tree on top of the house.
Eagles is kicking off Black Friday at 4 p.m. on Thanksgiving with over 600 doorbusters.
Oh, boy.
TVs on State Street's gonna
All the utility companies out.
Put Ryobi's One Plus drill and impact driver kit from the Home Depot right at the top.
Tell you what, if it doesn't warm up, it's only 28 degrees. When it does warm up, I wouldn't want to be under any of these trees. Take a frozen shower. Right, Ma?
Right. Right on.
Life is better when you're in the club. Phone price for purchase of tickets.
Wow.
Try and see club for additional details.
The Fly 92.3 Hadoos Jewelers Studio Hotline is
Kinda neat.
open. 476-9200. Hadoos Jewelers, a family business you can trust. Village Plaza Del Mar in their flagship store, Wolf Road, Albany. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this cracked it out here. I just asked Siri what the temperature is, and he went, I wasn't expecting that. For the Fly 92.3 Grace Shopper Weather Center, Psycho, they see some snow showers this afternoon.
Oh boy. Snow snow showers this afternoon. Okay.